Hi guys, I was gifted this folding hand cart from the seller so I could show you all its cool features. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and show you how it works. All right, it was simple to put together. You just have to put the front wheels on right here, and there's just a nut right here that you have to screw on. It does come with a wrench. So this hand cart has two ways to use it. So you can use it like this, which pulls along. To make it work like this handle was originally here, and all we did was push it to here, and that made these wheels come down and lock into place. So that's probably how we're going to use it today. I'm going to use it to move a really big box. Let's put it in the other way where you can use it as a normal hand cart like that. So if you want to use it like that as a hand cart, you just push in these buttons right here and it folds it into a hand cart that works like this. It also comes with some nice straps. I'm going to go ahead and move a big box with it and show you how that looks. All right, I have it all loaded up here, and I'm going to move this box so I can go set up this kennel. It does have locking wheels right here, just so I can show you that. So this is going to work great for me. So if you guys are in the market for a hand cart like this one, go ahead and get it. It'll work great for you. I like that it has those two features where you can use it as like kind of a lay down cart right here, or like a standard hand cart. So if you want a hand cart, go ahead and get this one. Thanks.